where they at. Honey, that was a good song. Look it up. Look it up, baby. Go back in the day and find that song by the Whitest. And check that song out, baby. And make sure you get yourself straight, baby, because you want to be ready. Choo-choo! When the train comes, you want to get on it, okay? And I'm not talking about the midnight train to Georgia, okay? Anyways, you heard it from me, baby. This is not the negative channel, so if you're looking for something negative, you just clicked on the wrong post, baby, because you ain't going to find it here. No, you ain't. So I just want to say to the Whitest, y'all been some strict brothers when you were going up yonder, because you know why? Because that's what your mama and your daddy was teaching you. The word of God, baby. It does come with some strict rules. You need some strict rules to keep you in line, baby. Oh yeah, since y'all was young kids, you've been headed up toward yonder. Okay, don't forget, baby. Only what you do for Christ will last, and you know it. Keep singing them songs, baby. You think we're not listening. But quite contrary, baby, I still remember and still play it. Every once in a while, I be dancing to it, too. Granny Good, praying for you, baby. Want you to be in His will, not our will, not the fans' will. We want you to be in His will.